Good morning, students. So today for class we're going to learn about the meaning of number placement. This is to do with where a number is in a line and what the meaning of that has and how we can change it, okay? Okay, so for our introduction, the main goals of this class is that we will learn about the number placement, how a number placement moves in tens, and understanding the value change due to a number position. This is so how numbers change when you add zeros, numbers change when you put two beside each other, and so on. So some facts about number positioning. Every time you add a zero to a number, it multiplies by 10. So for example, if I had 1 and then I add 1 0, it becomes 10. I add another 0, it becomes 100. So 1 multiplied by 10 equal to 10. 10 multiplied by 10 is equal to 100. Every time, so look, every time we added 1 0. Multiplied by 10, we added 10 plus 1 0, okay? So, when we think of a double-digit number, we need to think of a chain, okay? So every time you have a number, say for example 22, which is 2, 2, okay? It becomes a chain. So 22 can be wrote as 2, 2, okay? So if you want to make it a double-digit number, we have two easy steps, okay? We take the first number, and we multiply it by 10. So because it's the second placement, it gets multiplied by 10, so it will be 20. And then step 2, we will add the second number. And then when that happens, you get 22, okay? So when we think of number placement, we need to think about a chain, okay? So every time a number, so you have 1, and that's 1. 1 apple, 1 orange, 1 dinosaur. When we add a number, you add 1 0 or 1 number position, now it becomes 10. So you've added 1 0 to your number, which will then become 10. So instead of having 1 apple, we now have 10 apples. Instead of having 1 of your favorite dinosaurs, we now have 10. So if you add another 0 from the first pair, we know that multiplies it by 10 again. We now have 100 apples, 100 dinosaurs, okay? Too many dinosaurs. So anytime you add a number, you're always multiplying it by 10, okay? So when we have 1 here, if I add 1 here, this number has moved out 1, okay? This number here has moved out one space, and one space is equal to by 10. Okay? So when this number gets moved out one space, we have to multiply it by 10. So 1 moved out one space, multiplied by 10 is equal to 10 plus our second number, 1, meaning our number, add them together, is 11. Okay, guys? I hope we're taking these notes down. Ooh. Okay, so let's try different numbers. Let's say we have 3. Okay? We have a 3. And that is equal to 3. And then we're going to move the 3 out one place, and we're going to put a 0 behind it. What did we say happens when we multiply by, when we add 1 0? You multiply by 10. Okay? So 3 multiplied by 10 is equal to 30. Okay, guys? So say